Hi everyone. Do you feel worse after taking apple cider vinegar? There are two main reasons why apple cider vinegar might cause discomfort. Apple cider vinegar can irritate ulcers, causing stomach pains. Vinegar's acidity can worsen gastritis symptoms. This is inflammation of the stomach lining. The good news is both ulcers and gastritis can be improved with similar approaches. Here are some natural remedies that may help. Zinc, carnosine possess health-promoting and gastrointestinal supportive activity. Taking 50 mg 3 times a day can be beneficial. Chlorophyll is great for your gut and sinuses. Dark leafy vegetables should be a constant in your diet. Cabbage is excellent for ulcers and gastritis. Add it to your salads, coleslaw or sauerkraut. Probiotics is especially helpful for gastritis. Things get trickier if you have ulcers, gastritis, and small intestine bacterial overgrowth, SIBO. SIBO is a condition where there are too many bacteria in the small intestine. In this case, avoid probiotics and fiber-rich foods like cabbage. A temporary carnivore diet and fasting may be necessary. Normally, apple cider vinegar or betaine hydrochloride would be used to treat SIBO. However, these can irritate gastritis and ulcers. Fasting becomes crucial to allow your digestive system to reset. Once your gastritis and ulcers heal, consider a healthy, balanced diet. You can also incorporate intermittent fasting to prevent recurrence. There isn't a ton of research on apple cider vinegar for digestion. However, it can be helpful for people with low stomach acids, enzyme deficiencies, or poor bile production. These issues can lead to bloating and indigestion. So, when is the best time to take apple cider vinegar? The best time to take it is before a meal, but you can take it anytime. Take 1 tablespoon diluted in a glass of water. You can also add betaine hydrochloride for extra support. Thanks for watching. Let me know in the comment your favorite apple cider vinegar hacks.